Yeah, I don't know. Just
Should I whisper?
no.
East Hampton says that Ross High School senior Brandon Headaway, with the help of Ross teacher Garrett Cutler, will host a 3-on-3 charity basketball tournament in the Ross School Gymnasium on Saturday, November 6th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. This event is sponsored by Kicks for Kids, a group Brandon organized for his Ross senior project. Proceeds from the event will benefit Hoops for Hope, a non-profit organization that helps provide speakers for children in need in Africa. Donations of gently used sneakers will be collected at the event for distribution to a child in Africa.
Yes, you need to donate Kicks for Kids charity basketball because kids in Africa need shoes. And the Kicks for Kids event will start at 10 a.m. sharp with a short PowerPoint presentation about the children helping, and there will be a 50-50 raffles and half-court fouling shooting contests. To pre-register and for more information, contact Brandy Petaway at bpetaway11 at ross.org or call 631-655-1655.
Are you recording right now?
Yes,
Chandler.
Yes.
That was pretty good.